What once cruised the streets as a symbol of 50s Americana has now been reimagined into a sleek, futuristic powerhouse. This isn't your grandpa's Bel Air. It's the rebirth of an icon, sculpted for the modern era. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air takes retro soul and injects it with electric aggression, digital innovation, and jaw-dropping elegance. Let's start where first impressions are made, the front fascia. The face of the 2026 Bel Air is a masterstroke of minimalistic aggression. Gone is the chrome-laden grille of the 50s. In its place, a blacked-out honeycomb grille sits proudly, framed in chrome and inscribed with bold Bel Air lettering across the center. A move that feels more like a declaration than a badge. Above it, the classic Chevrolet gold bow tie floats like a crown jewel, nestled into a sculpted hood that hints at power beneath. The circular LED headlamps with cross-style DRLs add a retro, futuristic touch, clearly inspired by the original twin headlight designs of the '57 Bel Air, yet modernized with digital precision. The lower bumper features clean, sporty air inlets with angular silver accents that add a sense of dynamism and road-hugging purpose. It's aggressive without being overdone, a perfect blend of heritage and hostility. From the side, this coupe absolutely stuns. Sleek, fluid, and unapologetically muscular. The body contours are sculpted like liquid metal. The long hood, short rear deck proportions scream sports coupe, while the rear haunches flare with confidence. It rides on large, dark-finished alloy wheels that seem borrowed from a performance car playbook, complemented by subtle side skirts and blacked-out trim. A thin chrome beltline provides just enough old-school flavor without overpowering the design. A small but cheeky touch? The tiny script on the side skirt that reads, "Reimagined," a subtle nod to its rebirth. The side mirrors are ultra-slim and aerodynamic, and the flush door handles enhance the car's clean, uninterrupted profile. The silhouette is low-slung and fastback. Very modern, very cinematic. The rear of the 2026 Bel Air might just steal the show. The design is clean, powerful, and impossibly sleek. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the back like a laser beam, wrapping around slightly at the edges. Inside the bar, we see retro-styled font spelling out Bel Air, which glows in a soft red hue, echoing the neon signage of old-school diners and drive-ins. Below that, a subtle integrated spoiler and a centrally mounted Chevrolet badge finish the upper tailgate design. And then there's the diffuser. Dual twin exhaust outlets, yes, 4 exhaust tips, suggest this concept isn't just about being electric. Either it's a high-performance hybrid or a performance-focused ICE concept in disguise. Whatever the powertrain, it wants to growl. Chevrolet hasn't confirmed what's under the hood, but from the aggressive quad exhaust setup and the muscular stance, we can speculate. Most likely we're looking at either a high-output twin-turbo V6 or even a V8 hybrid, similar to what's seen in modern Camaro ZL1s, or an all-electric dual-motor setup capable of 500-plus horsepower and instant torque. Given the trends and visible cues, it's likely Chevy will offer both variants, an all-electric option for the future-forward buyers and a performance gas hybrid version for the purists. Either way, expect 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Step inside and you're immediately transported into a stunning, retro-luxe world that feels like a spaceship made in the 1960s, but redesigned in 2026. The cabin is bathed in white leather upholstery, complete with vertical stitching and warm ambient lighting. The dashboard is a clean slab with one massive wraparound digital display. On the passenger side, you see digital Chevrolet and Bel Air scripts glowing elegantly. There's no traditional gauge cluster, just a thin digital strip behind the steering wheel, embedded into the top of the dash. Speaking of which, the steering wheel is a retro 2-spoke design with a glowing gold Chevy bow tie at the center. The center console features a manual shifter, a rarity and a treat in a world going automatic. This is a love letter to driving purists. Every switch, every button feels like a piece of mid-century modern design brought into the digital age. It's Art Deco meets Silicon Valley. You'll also notice analog-style buttons on the lower dash, flush-fit air vents, and chrome speaker mesh integrated into the doors. It's not just a car interior, it's an experience. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than a car. It's a resurrection of emotion. It's what happens when designers, engineers, and dreamers sit down to ask, What if yesterday had tomorrow's tools? Whether you're a diehard Chevy fan, a lover of American automotive heritage, or someone who craves standout design in an ocean of sameness, this Bel Air demands your attention. Timeless curves, cutting-edge power, and a cabin that makes you feel like you're in a James Dean reboot? It's the past, future, and fantasy all in one vehicle. Let us know in the comments, would you drive the 2026 Bel Air? And what engine would you want under that sculpted hood? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning car reviews and futuristic redesigns. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your mind in the future.